Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over arrow functions in JavaScript. So in the last two videos we went over functions, but there's an easier way that we can actually write functions, okay? So let's create a function, for example. So let's do let, and then we can do something like sum is equal to, let's do A and B, okay? And then we will do an arrow by doing an equal sign and then an arrow to the right. And then what we can do is we can do A plus B, and then we can just add a semicolon. So this works the exact same way as a function. So this is the function name. These are the parameters that we are passing in, and this is the piece of code that we want to execute. Okay. So then what we can do is we can do something like console.log, and then we just need to call this function. So we'll just do sum, and then we just need to pass in the two numbers for A and B. So we can pass in like 1, and then we can pass in 2. Okay, and we can just see what happens. We get the number 3. So this works the exact same way as a function. Once again, this is the function name. These are the parameters, and this is the piece of code that gets executed. So you can see we are calling this function sum. We are passing in the parameters, and the output of that we are just going to log it, which is A plus B. So the answer is 3. Now let's say that we want to have multiple blocks of code for this, because this will only work on one block or one line of code. So if we want to have multiple blocks of code, so let's just remove this for now. We need to do curly brackets, and then all of the code inside of here will be executed, and we can use a multiple lines of code. Now make sure to add the semicolon at the end, because I know in the previous two videos we use functions. We don't actually need the semicolon, but whenever we are doing arrow functions we do need to add the semicolon. So then we can just do something similar. We have A plus B, so what we can do is we can do let result is equal to A plus B, and then we can just return result, and just like this we have created an arrow function just like that. And now what we can do, we can go back, refresh this, and you can see the value that we get is 3. So that's about it for this video. It's a very short one, but I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.